Ngayon pa lang kami Christmas decoration.
The Christmas light is so cool. Wow.
Bigla ako kasi naisip sa ko, parang hindi pa pala tayo nagko-color green, no? Like sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Daddy will put Christmas light first, okay? See?
That's what game.
Ganun, oh. One by one. Ayan na guys, tapos na ang ating Christmas tree. First time kong ginawa yung ganito. Ang ganda pala pag ganyan, no? Parang mas maayos. Ganda! Ayun, dumating na yung order ko from Temu. Kasi doon na lang ulit ako umorder ng pang Christmas decoration. Katulad last year. Ngayon pa lang kami Christmas decoration. Dahil, yun nga, nabisi kami. Inuna ko muna talaga yung birthday ni Oli! Nag-focus muna ako doon.
This is my birthday, right?
You're done na. Done na yung birthday mo. Christmas naman.
Look, the Christmas light.
Yeah. Pero yung mga Christmas lights, sinumula na yun ni Daddy Al last week. Right?
Yeah.
Tapos nagdadagdag pa rin siya na nagdadagdag.
So
Kasi
many
natutuwa daw siya kapag
lights.
bawat labas ni Oli, wow, ang daming ilaw. So dagdag tuloy siya ng dagdag.
This is for you.
Thank you, but I will not open that pa. Yung sa Christmas decoration muna tayo. Ang lang talaga sa Temu, parang hindi maayos yung nila, pag-ship. Yung parang na UUV yung mga packaging, ganyan. Tulad yan, hindi uso sa kanila yung mga bubble wrap. Pero kasi, madami ng choices sa Temu. Pinag-compare namin ni Daddy Al yung price sa Temu sa Lazada, di ba? Nag-check ka. Halos same lang din naman. Yun, mabilis din siya dumating. Ang ating theme today, ngayong Christmas ay green and gold. Ayun, katulad nito.
The Christmas light is so cool.
Yes. Ganito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ganyan siya. Pero ang na-UUP lang naman halos yung pinakalalagyan. Hindi sila nagbabubble wrap. So ganito, parang dark green, emerald green, ganon. Tapos muted gold. Pero marami naman na akong gold dito. So puro green na lang yung binili ko halos. Yan, may mga velvet. Medyo bright, pero carry lang. Para halo-halo. Wag lang yung sobrang light na parang nag-olive green.
We're gonna help you, right?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Daming green. May maliliit. Buti yung iba nakakabit na. Daming glitter on it. Ano ba yun? Nagkandalag. Ay! Ayan, katulad niya, naglalaglag. Wala sa ayos yung nila. Nagtatanggalan na. Nasisira yung packaging. Yan. Ito lalagyan pa to isa-isa.
Come here.
Ay! Can you help me?
Okay. I'll find it. Here it is.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Yung iba nakakabit na yung sinulid. Yung iba hindi pa. Saan yung mga sinulid na ito? Yung glitter,
Ayan,
Oli,
sa
kasi
box.
napupunta sa'yo eh. So many glitter eh. Nasa box ba? Ito.
Oh,
Palagay ko to.
can you help?
Yup. In fairness, okay naman yung mga bola. Hindi naman nasira.
Hello. I found it.
Yeah. So funny, right?
Yeah.
All done, Oli. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No more na?
Yeah. There's
Ito pa, oh.
Oh, there's a nice one.
Okay, no more.
Yay! Wow. That's another one. Whoa.
Wow!
Wow.
Bumili rin ako ng ganito.
Like
Christmas tree. Mabigat pala siya. Christmas tree na figurine. Pero pang velvet type siya. Dalawa.
Christmas.
Lalagay ko dito.
Christmas tree.
Yeah. Oops, mabasag. Oli. May binili rin akong parang muted gold. Pero ito lang. Pampadagdag lang.
Well, Christmas night again.
Christmas decor. Christmas balls.
The Christmas balls.
Are you excited to
Yeah.
put up a Christmas tree?
Yeah, Christmas tree so cool.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh, many pa, oh. Ang dami. Dinamihan ko kasi karamihan naman dito, maliliit lang. Ganito sanang green talaga yung pinaka-bet ko. Kaya naka-green ako. Right, Ollie?
Yeah. Wow, there's another.
So many, right?
There's so many.
Amazing, right? Bigla ako kasing naisip sa ko, parang hindi pa pala tayo nagko-color green, no? Na decoration, Christmas tree. Ito, ano to? Tablecloth. Kasi yung meron kami dito is color red. So, green naman siya. Ano runner? Table runner.
It's green.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, it's color green.
Pagkahiwalay.
This.
Yan. Pwedeng pagdugtungin na lang, no pa?
Parang may cream. Parang.
Runner. Dalawa pala. Oh, may isa pa pala.
Table.
Ito. Para sa ilalim ng Christmas tree. Christmas tree skirt. Ganon. Tignan nyo. May pa Christmas tree doon. Ganda. Fur.
What are you doing, Mommy?
This one.
This one?
Opening.
Opening?
Aha.
What opening?
Opening Christmas ball. Oh, ito malaki. Buti meron.
Wow.
Oh, Christmas ball baka mo.
Christmas ball right
Kumuha ako
there.
4 na piraso lang.
Wow.
Pang eme.
A Christmas ball right there.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, big, right? Bumili pa pala ako ng ganito. Para dito sa CR.
So big.
Wow.
Papalitan ko yung hand soap. Pineme. Ngayong Pasko lang naman. Ang cute! Cute ba? Or pwede din dito. Alcohol. Pero cute siya sa CR.
Ano yun? Plastic?
Hindi, glass.
Wow.
So big, right? You will put that in the Christmas tree, okay?
Okay.
Are you excited? Say, I'm excited.
Excited.
Are you gonna help mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, meron pa pala isa.
Put it-
Ayan, may isa pa.
Box.
Tapos,
Okay.
Dun. Underneath.
glittery! Ang cute, Oli! Baka masira. Okay, we're done sa kanilang isa pa. I'm so excited! And I just can't fight it! Like sugar on my tongue, your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite me if you come. Wow. El cu mai pujanela, bubu shigo dara buch perene kachape.
Yung may ganun.
Ano yun? Ano nga yun? Nakalimutan ko yung pantay. So, okay. Eto, bumili ako nito para sa table napkin ring. Para gold na gold. Yung nandito ko kasi is rose gold. So, ito naman ay ano. Tapos kasi nadagdagan na. Di ba dati 6 lang yung upuan namin. So, ngayon kaya na 10. Marami na siya. Ano to? Ganun ulit? Ano to? Na doble? Okay. Iba naman to. Table napkin. Kala ko na doble yung runner eh. So, yan. Parang ganyan. Papakuha nga ako ng ring isa. Uy, ang happy ko, puro green. Medyo naliitan lang ako dito sa napkin. Pero, pwede na. Para sa parang ganyan. Pero, hindi pa ganyan. Ayusin pa natin. Pero parang ganyan yung setup. Parang akala mo talaga ginagamit talaga ng mga bisita ang table. For the sake of aesthetic. Ayan, dinagdagan ko rin yung ganito ko kasi wala akong gold na ganito. Pang filler lang yan. Ayan. Grabe glitter. Tapos ito yung placemat. Gold. Ito kasi may pang coaster. Ano na? Coaster. Tama naman, di ba? May pang baso na rin siya. Ayan. Yung baso. Ito yung malaki. Excited ako kasi decoratean yung bagong ano namin, table. Kasi mas mahaba na siya, mas malapad. Di katulad dati, sobrang limited lang kasi ang liit nga ng table namin. Look, Oli. Ang liit naman ito. Pillow to eh. Ang liit. This is a pillow, Oli. Pillow para dito. Ang liit. Di na naman ako nagbasa. Ayan na, pillow siya. Look, it's a Christmas tree pillow. Para dito sana. Ito, liit ito pa.
Oo nga.
Dalawa ka binili ko. Pakaliit. Pang baby. Ano kaya yun?
Pang decorate lang.
Pero na-expect ko kasi medyo malaki naman para dito. Hala, ang pangit naman. Kaya rin na to. Pillow cover. Para dito. Iba sa picture Tapos meron pa ako yung ibang pillow ko na pang Christmas last year. Ito maganda. Maganda to. Dalawa. Tapos dinagdagan ko lang yung mga ganito, yung pang mga maliit, pang Christmas bill. Neme namin. Pang di-display ko doon. Or dito kaya. Grabe, nakakairita yung glitter. Oli, baka maano ka.
Lika, Oli. Come on.
Kawawa si ate.
There. There's a glitter.
Ito, lagay ng candle. Na parang akala ko talaga nagka-candle sa dinner. Tapos candle dito. 3 piraso to or 4. Para dun. Cute! Ay, ito. Ano to, candle. Pero LED na. Paano ba ito buksan? Nabubuksan siya kapag ka may battery. May battery siya. Mura lang itong mga to. Paano to? Dito. 4. Hindi ko pa alam saan ko ilalagay itong mga to. Oh, bakit ganito to? In-order ba akong ganito? Wala pa kasi mga battery. In-order ba akong ganito? Hindi ko maalala. Ganyan siya. Dami natin pa Christmas tree na effect.
Di battery din yan? O card?
Hindi battery. Puro battery pa.
Okay.
Ang cute! Iba-ibang size.
Oh.
Ang dami ko nang pinaring ganito. Hindi ko maalala talaga to. Check ko nga.
Whoa! What's that?
Cute. Pero ang cute nila. In fairness. So yun lang naman yung mga aking pinamili. Gawin na natin ngayon. Oops! No!
What?
Be carefully!
Okay.
You might break it. You're so silly. Very sneaky. Sneaky little baby. Picturean ko daw muna siya. Okay, smile. Look here. No, here. Kay mommy. Mommy's phone. I'm here. Up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up. Look up. Look up. This is... 1, 2, 3. Smile, Ollie. Look here. Kay mommy. Okay. Thank you.
Look what have. It's a big Christmas tree.
Yes.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
What are you opening?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree again.
Dami
Whoa!
natin.
It's a big Christmas tree.
Can you help me?
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. Whoa! It's a big whoa! Whoa! It's a big Christmas tree. Oh! I love it. I'm gonna put this here.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me help you.
Oh, wait. Later. Christmas lights first. Put your, bike doon sa may door.
Tomato
Oo. Ito. Because we will put Christmas tree here.
here.
Yes. Lagay mo yun dun.
I put the Christmas tree.
Yeah, but it's not pa. Later na. Daddy will put Christmas light first, okay? Nainis. Christmas light muna, Oli.
No! This one first.
Oh, see? Careful.
I want to put in a Christmas tree.
Okay.
Yay! Not put in a Christmas tree.
See, I told you later na.
No! Okay, Daddy.
You help me later, okay?
Daddy, this is I showed you.
I told you, Oli.
No! Don't say I told you.
I told you.
No, don't say I told you.
But I told you.
No.
I told you, Oli. Papa, tagal mo na yung mga plastic dun sa ano. Ito dun sa... Para hindi masyadong ma... Tingnan ko matatapos yung sentence ko.
Tawa ka na din.
Parang hindi masyadong maka... What I want for Christmas is you.
You see this? You open it like this. Help me.
Okay.
Yan.
Santa Claus will make me happy.
It's not working.
Yes, it's working like this. Like this, oh.
I won't.
Oh. See? I told you.
No, don't say I told you.
Okay.
Ayun yung nakokorek siya.
Don't say I told you. It's nice hope.
Yes.
It works.
Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah, good job.
I want to put in the Christmas tree, Mama.
Okay, Oli.
Yay!
You help Daddy first.
Yeah. I want to help Dad.
Oh, you help Daddy now. You make it yourself. Okay?
Okay.
You spread it like that.
Let's put it like that.
Mom can do it, Oli.
Okay. You can do it, Mommy.
Thank you.
You can do it, Mommy and Daddy. You can do
Kasi daldal ni
it, Daddy and Mommy.
Yes. I
You
can.
can pressure. Mommy.
Yeah.
You can pressure, Daddy.
Okay. You also, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for helping, Oli.
You're welcome, Mama. Thank you.
Thank you, Oli.
No,
Ano?
Daddy first.
Thank you, Ali.
You're welcome, Daddy. It's not working, Daddy and Mommy.
It's working. See?
It's not working.
Ganun, oh. One by
No.
one. Mana sa akin, ayaw nang may nagtuturo ah. Ayaw nang may nag-ano ah. Mamarunong ah. Come here nga.
Sabi nga niya hindi gumagana.
See, it's working. Look.
No, don't do that.
Paano ba?
Basta hindi ito gumagana.
Daddy first.
Teach
Daddy.
me.
No, look at Daddy.
Ganito nga, oh.
No, look at Daddy.
Oh, ganito, oh. Same naman, oh. Ganun din.
No, look at Daddy, yeah.
Mali ba ako? Oh, look, oh. Oh, see? So nice, right?
No,
Bala ka?
Daddy, yeah.
Ano?
Halika nga.
No,
Kala ko you will help.
no.
Ang bilis
I want to
mag-switch.
tell Daddy.
Oh,
I
susunod.
want to help Daddy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. How about mommy?
No, help out Daddy.
How about mommy?
No, help out Daddy.
You want to help daddy?
Yeah.
How about mommy?
No, help out Daddy.
Kawawa naman ako.
Help mo, Mami.
No,
I'm so wawa, Oli.
Oh, how about Mami? Mami is tired. Look, you need to help Mami.
no.
Mami is sad na.
Mommy, no. Look at Mommy and Daddy.
Yung daddy mo, ganyan-ganyan lang. Pumapalakpak tenga niya. Feel lang daddy mo. Huwag kang dede sa akin, tandaan mo.
Mommy help you, Daddy.
Wow.
Mommy help you, Daddy.
Papalakas ka, ha?
Mommy help you, Daddy.
Pag,
Where's my other daughter? Ate Louie?
pag umaga, ayaw ako pansin.
Where's my ate Louie? That's my daughter.
There's no Ate.
Ate, sleeping.
No.
Where's the chair?
I don't know.
I need the chair.
Can I have mine? My chair is so tall, right?
Yes, your chair is just right for you.
What's the sound?
It's Mommy.
What's the sound again?
Mommy.
Mommy? Oh. Sorry. I forgot again. Let me help Daddy.
Okay, thanks.
It's Daddy's and it's only, right?
Yeah, after done this, you tell Ate Lou and Ate Ai. Ate Ai,
The idea.
I did the Christmas tree.
I just the Christmas tree.
So pretty, right?
Yeah, it's pretty. There's another one. There's another one. I'm so scared.
Why you're so scared sa fly?
Because I'm so scared.
Di ba you're not scared na sa fly? I thought you eat the fly.
Let's eat the fly. Oh, I forgot.
What did you forget?
Because I forgot.
What?
Because I forgot, right?
Yeah, oh yeah. Let's put some Christmas lights na.
Okay. I want to put some Christmas lights. What are you doing?
Putting some Christmas lights.
Christmas lights? Mama, make it bigger, right?
Yeah.
Make some more, right?
Okay.
Are you here again?
Yeah? What's so funny?
Yeah, me too.
Are you happy?
Mommy, what are you doing, Mama?
Nothing.
What are you doing, Mama?
Nothing. You're doing nothing.
You're doing nothing?
Oopsie. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Very good, Oli. Galing talaga ng batang yun.
What are you putting?
Christmas light.
Christmas light?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's why I told you. Oh, well. I just...
Oh, well. Oh, well.
Well.
Oh, well.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Can you get another?
Okay,
No, it's big. Yung small lang. This one.
it's not working, Daddy.
Yes, it's working.
Let me teach you how. Faster, Daddy.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone.
Grabe na talaga ang itsura niyan. Pero yung sobrang liliit na mga Christmas ball, ganito na lang ginawa ko. Pinagsama-sama ko na lang sila. Buti may ganito si Daddy Al, yung parang wire. Ganun na lang. Sobrang liit kasi kung isa-isahin ko, parang ang kalat tignan. Parang ganyan.
Are you doing it, are you doing a hack?
Yeah. Parang ganyan. So, nagbago ang kaisipan namin. Gantong combination na lang. Hindi ko na isasama yung bright green. Kasi ito naman talaga yung bala ko. Ang nakalagay kasi dun sa Temu, nung in-order ko tong mga to, dark green. So, ina-expect ko, ganito yung pagka-green niya. Pero kasi sobrang bright niya, hindi bumagay. So, parang ganyan. Diba? Para lagay na lang ng lagay. Cute.
Life right now is a movie. Yeah. Wish the soundtrack was groovy. Too bad I'm frustrated, I'm moody. Yeah. Just need a happy ever after. Guess this was kind of fun when it all started going down. Walking around in PJs, nap on the couch, watching TV all day and spending time inside the house.
Gumawa na ako ng mahaba.
Guys, I'm helping Mama.
Okay. Okay. Very good, Oli. Say, look guys.
Guys,
I did this.
I did this.
Very good. Thank you po. This one.
This one?
Opo. Go. Put it down. It's okay. Get it. Wow. Good job, Oli. Very good. Ayan na guys, tapos na ang ating Christmas tree. Grabe, anong oras na? Magto 2 AM na kami natapos ni Daddy Al. Pero ayan na yon. First time kong ginawa yung ganito, yung parang garland ba to? Parang Christmas ball garland. Ang nagkabit na lang mismo dito, tinulungan na lang ako ni Daddy Al kasi hindi ko siya magagawa dahil gawa nga nung mabigat. Yan siya. Ang ganda pala. Ang ganda pala pag ganyan, no? Parang mas maayos. Yay! Parang nagko-color black lang sa camera, pero yan siya. Emerald green. Ganda. Ganda! Parang so far, ito yung pinaka maayos na nagawa namin sa Christmas tree. Ito na yon, oo. Ayun, actually, hindi pa kami tapos mag-decor dun sa iba. Pero yan pa lang yun. Yan. Hindi pa nga final yan eh. Pinag-iisipan ko pa. Ayan, tapos dito sa CR may nilagay din akong pa-effect. So, ayan siya. Lalagyan pa natin yan ng battery. Tapos, yan. Ito lalagyan ko pa ng hand soap. Cute lang. Pa-effect. Tapos, ayan. Last year, nandito na rin yan eh. Diba yan? Bigla naman bumubukas. Ayan, yun siya. Diba? Para feel pa rin yung Christmas kahit na jumijingle ka lang dito. Tapos itong Christmas village namin, last year kasi, doon talaga siya. Doon sa may dining. Kaso naisip ko, dito naman para mas kita siya. Hindi pa final to kasi aayusin pa to ni Daddy Al. Tapos yung iba mga wala pang ilaw, wala pang saksak. Yan. Ito dapat gumagalaw to eh. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng battery to and everything. Yan siya, sa may TV. Tapos, yan, yung mga last year pa yan. Ayun, yun pa lang yung nagagawa namin dahil anong oras na. Ang tagal namin, ang tagal nito gawin kasi. Sobrang tagal niyang gawin. Pero ang ganda naman pagkatapos.